how's it going? This is Cassie. Recently, I have some friends interested in Asian food, and I like to watch mukbang. That is kind of eating reaction or eating show. So I want to do one too. Now it's 3 o'clock and I prepare 3 kind of dessert. So let's have the afternoon tea time together. It's ready, and outside is dark now because I prepared long time. But we still can eat now. So this one is wheel pie, and this one is bubble milk tea. This one is egg-shaped pancake. Also, it has a special part. Ta-da! This is the SpongeBob shape. I'm so hungry now, so let's get it started. And we try to eat cream with red bean now. I will eat SpongeBob now. See you, SpongeBob. Bye bye. Now, try to eat cheese egg. Woo! So cool! It is really cheese inside, and it's cheese and egg, and have the wheel pie. That's so good. The last bite. So if you have time, you can make the bubble milk tea by yourself or try the egg-shaped pancake or wheel pie. So that's for it today. See you next time. Bye bye.